Happy Tuesday. Thanks for clicking to WYTV.com. I'm meteorologist Ryan Halicki. Our pattern about to turn unsettled. If you think back a couple of weeks ago, remember the week where we had all those rounds of complexes of storms rolling through? I'm going to start watching for that, in particular into your Wednesday morning. There's some clusters of storms off to our north here on our Tuesday evening. And as we look at this on Futurecast, what I'm watching for is how far east these storms can move. Now, some of the data coming in this evening that I've been seeing suggesting that early in the morning we have one of these clusters right around the Cleveland area. That would do two things for us. Number one, it would send us some clouds into the morning. That would have an impact on our temperatures through the day. Also comes with the chance for some showers and storms in the morning before we get to the afternoon and look for additional. If we can see that complex of storms, if it's not able to hold itself together and we start the day with a lot of sunshine, then I'm expecting things to really heat up. We're looking for highs around 90. That hinges on the placement of that cluster of storms early in the day. But if we can reach that 90 mark, those heat indices are going to spike again. That's the feels like temperature. It will be quite humid for our Wednesday, and that feels like temperature as high as mid to upper 90s possible as we head into the afternoon. Again, that hinges a lot on where that cluster of storms goes overnight into early tomorrow morning. So looking through your overnight, also a chance there for a couple of isolated showers or storms past midnight, and we'll keep an eye on that overnight into the early morning hours. They'd be very hit or miss variety, but getting into the morning close to sunrise, all eyes turn to the northwest. We'll be watching that cluster and seeing if that sends us some clouds and some rain. It's going to be a close call with that. If we start the day with those clouds though and that rain around, well, our temperature's not likely to warm as much through it until we clear things out. So watching for highs to approach 90 degrees during the afternoon. Once the sun comes back out for us, we would put more energy in the atmosphere. Additional spotty downpours and thunderstorms possible. Any storms could produce very heavy rainfall. By Wednesday evening, we start to see some of that activity waning, but still a couple of showers or storms are not out of the question overnight into Thursday. Now for Thursday, well, we start the day, a chance for a morning round of storms in there, watching for some clouds around. Overall, I expect it to be a partly sunny day. We'll see some sun through it, and as we get into the afternoon, any sun that pops out once again starts popping off these hit or miss variety showers and thunderstorms that have the potential to produce heavy rain. We start to see those fading again into Thursday evening. So we're setting up for this repeated active pattern day after day right into the weekend until a cold front comes early next week. Heat and humidity high on our hassle factors list. Downpours also something we're going to watch for. Any thunderstorms with all the moisture that we have in place could produce very heavy rainfall in a short amount of time. We're looking at 68 degrees for the overnight low. It is a little warmer. It will be humid. A stray overnight shower or storm possible. And through the morning, watching again for a complex of storms that could cloud up our morning and bring some wet weather. Additional showers and storms expected during the afternoon, so when we have a little bit of a better chance. Our high of 90 depends on how much sun we can get early in the day, and then as we go through the 7-day outlook here, I know you see a lot of those thunderstorm icons in there. Now, it is not going to rain all day start to finish each of these days. The best chance for showers and storms will be particularly during the afternoons and early evenings during the warmest parts of the day, but the pattern stays humid, stays active right through the rest of the work week and through the weekend. The cold front I'm watching comes on Monday. That'll come with an uptick in clouds, and I expect a round of rain and storms to work through. Behind it comes some drier air. Temperatures not quite as toasty as we look at Tuesday, about 82 degrees, not as humid with partly sunny skies.